Great job! You're almost done with the SCRUM Framework course on our YouTube channel. These videos were created by Plexotrade LLC. Visit our website to discover how you can build your own marketing site and use its tools to turn attention into customers. Your online storefront with lead magnets, funnels, AI oracles, newsletters, and more, all in one place. You keep and own your infrastructure. We set it up for you. That's the power of cloud computing and edge computing. Want a website like this with a one-time payment and a permanent license? You're in the right place. I'll leave the link in the description. Now let's go to our repository and open the Issues tab. Here we have our user stories, but we still need to estimate how long this project will take. That's what we'll cover in this video. As you can see, we already added story points to our user stories. That's all we need to estimate the workload and predict how many days or weeks this will take. This information is essential for your team and for your clients. Let's sum the story points manually. Perfect. In our example, we have 42 story points. That number is important. You'll see why in a moment. Open the Templates repository and go to the Estimation and Team Velocity template. Read it for a moment. According to the estimation formula reference, we need an average team velocity. This number becomes clearer over time as you run multiple projects. For now, you can estimate it intuitively based on past experience. The team velocity is the number of story points your team can complete per sprint. In our example, we checked the story points per sprint and chose 16 story points per sprint because our fictional project doesn't include many user stories. Next, we estimate the average time per iteration. Again, an intuitive guess for now. How many days does it usually take your team to complete one sprint? Once these values are set, return to your repo and create a new issue using the Estimation and Team Velocity template. Name it clearly, then create the issue. Assign it to yourself or another team member, add the correct label, and start filling in the real values. I'll fill this out now. Bear with me. We defined the required iterations, the team velocity, and the sprint duration, then resolve the formulas. We already know the total story points for this project and the average team velocity, so we calculate the required iterations. In our case, we get 2.6 iterations. That means, under these parameters, it will take 2.6 iterations to complete the project. We still need a time reference. With an average iteration length of 3 days, we multiply iterations by iteration duration. 2.6 times 3 equals 7.8 days. That's our estimated delivery time frame. Summary: the team completes 16 story points every 3 days, leading to an estimated release in 7.8 days from the start date. You can refine this estimation and team velocity issue over time after you finish a few sprints. Delivery time may expand or shrink depending on real performance. Every project is different. Over time, you'll learn how many days it takes to complete specific amounts of story points for particular types of work. I'm glad to share this method with you. Now click Save and complete the task section. Perfect. With this, we've completed part 3 of our Scrum course. In the next video, I'll share tips to get even more value from running Scrum inside GitHub. See you in the next video.